Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the CRK balloon dock version and backing up its current config. This prevents irreversible loss. Once done, copy one config file and create a restore point on your PC. Next, power the unit with a stable 5V source, connect via USB, and open the upgrade utility. Make sure the firmware file matches the indicated version. You'll use a Torx T6 to access the port cover. Proceed only when the backup completes and the utility recognizes the device. You now flash the verified CRK firmware. Choose the option to verify after write-so integrity is checked automatically. While flashing, prepare hardware mods if the guide specifies a 0. 5mm spacer or a jumper, install it carefully to avoid shorts. Once flashing starts, open the serial monitor and watch the logs for write progress and checksum OK messages. If you see retries, pause, confirm the file, and restart the flash. Staying observant here prevents bricked hardware and saves time. You finish by performing 2 cold boots and confirming the new boot banner appears. This shows the upgraded firmware loaded correctly. Next, validate functionality. Test dock ports, balloon inflation controls, and any sensors, running a short full cycle. If a failure occurs, first reflash using an alternate USB cable and a different port. Many failures trace to bad cables. If problems persist, restore your saved config and reattempt the flash with the verified firmware file. Then contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.